Many people dream of finding great wealth and success. They search far and wide, hoping to stumble upon their fortune. But what if the real key to success is not about searching far, but about looking closer? What if the greatest opportunities are right where we are, hidden in plain sight? The truth is, opportunity often knocks quietly. It doesn't always arrive with fanfare and flashing lights. Instead, it presents itself in the everyday moments of our lives, in the familiar landscapes of our communities, and in the untapped potential within ourselves. This essay will explore the idea that success is not about chasing distant dreams, but about cultivating the opportunities that exist right here, right now. Our journey begins with the powerful story of Ali Hafed, a tale that reminds us to appreciate the value of what we have and to seek opportunity in our own backyards. Let's delve into his story and uncover the profound lessons it holds. Ali Hafed was a content man who lived in Persia long ago. He had a loving family, a comfortable home, and fertile land. One day a wise traveler visited Ali and spoke of diamonds, precious stones that could bring unimaginable wealth. Intrigued, Ali listened intently as the traveler described the magnificence and value of these gems. The traveler's words sparked a fire in Ali's heart. He became consumed by the desire for diamonds, believing that they held the key to true happiness and success. He sold his farm, said goodbye to his family, and embarked on a relentless quest to find these precious stones. Ali's search led him across mountains and deserts, through bustling cities and remote villages. He spent all his wealth, his health, and ultimately his spirit in his desperate pursuit of diamonds. Exhausted and defeated, Ali finally gave up, throwing himself into the sea, his dreams shattered and his life seemingly wasted. Unbeknownst to Ali, the very land he had sold to fund his quest held a secret far greater than he could have imagined. The new owner of his farm, while tending his garden one day, discovered a brilliant stone sparkling in the sunlight. It was a diamond, and not just any diamond, but the largest and most magnificent diamond the world had ever seen. The discovery of the diamond on Ali's former land teaches us a powerful lesson about overlooked opportunities. We often become so fixated on distant dreams that we fail to recognize the value and potential that lie right in front of us. We convince ourselves that success lies elsewhere, overlooking the opportunities in our own backyards. The story of Ali Hafed reminds us to appreciate what we have and to take a closer look at our own surroundings. Success is not always about chasing after something elusive, but about recognizing and nurturing the potential that already exists within and around us. Section 4. Building your own acres of diamonds. The lessons from Ali Hafed's story resonate with countless real-life examples of individuals who found success not by searching far and wide, but by cultivating opportunities close to home. Consider the story of a local farmer who, instead of chasing dreams of striking gold, focused on developing innovative farming techniques. He experimented with new crops, embraced sustainable practices, and eventually built a thriving agricultural business. Similarly, a local teacher passionate about sharing her love of learning started offering tutoring services from her home. Her dedication and personalized approach attracted students from all over the community, eventually leading her to establish a successful education center. These stories, and countless others like them, highlight the power of focusing on local opportunities. They demonstrate that success is often the result of hard work, innovation, and a willingness to see the potential in our immediate surroundings. Section 5. The true value of success. The true measure of success extends beyond material wealth. It encompasses the positive impact we have on our communities and the world around us. When we achieve success by cultivating local opportunities, we create a ripple effect that benefits not only ourselves, but also those around us. The farmer who built a thriving agricultural business provides fresh, healthy produce to his community, supporting local families and promoting a healthier lifestyle. The teacher who established an education center empowers students with knowledge and skills, fostering a love of learning that extends beyond the classroom. These examples illustrate the profound truth that true success is not just about personal gain, but about making a difference in the lives of others. When we use our success to uplift our communities, we create a virtuous cycle of prosperity and well-being. Section 6 Conclusion. The story of Ali Hafed serves as a timeless reminder that opportunity often knocks closest to home. True success is not about chasing distant dreams, but about recognizing and cultivating the potential that lies within ourselves and our communities. By embracing hard work, innovation, and a commitment to making a positive impact, we can all unearth the hidden diamonds in our own backyards and build our own acres of diamonds. Let us remember that the greatest treasures are often found not in far-off lands, but in the richness of our own lives and the untapped potential of our local communities.